Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of the products that help us feel confident and refreshed. If you're looking for an effortless way to maintain clean teeth and healthy gums throughout your day, I think you'll want to stick around. Today, I'm reviewing the Gum Twisted Mint Floss Picks, a product that promises to make flossing easier and more convenient wherever you are. We all know how essential flossing is for oral health, but let's face it, finding the time or the right tool can sometimes be a hassle. That's where these Gum Twisted Mint Floss Picks come in. These floss picks are designed to be simple, portable, and effective with a minty twist. But do they actually live up to the promise of fresher breath and healthier gums? Let's break it down. These floss picks come with a sleek, easy grip handle that makes flossing more convenient, especially for those hard-to-reach areas in your mouth. The floss itself is twisted, which covers 30% more surface area than a single strand of floss, helping you get more plaque and food particles removed with less effort. The mint-flavored floss adds a refreshing burst that leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated. The beauty of these floss picks lies in their design. They're compact, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're traveling at work or just running errands, they easily fit into your bag or pocket, allowing you to freshen up your smile whenever you need it. Now let's talk about how they perform. I've been using these floss picks daily, and what really stands out is how gentle they are on the gums while still being effective. The twisted mint floss glides smoothly between my teeth without shredding or fraying, a common issue with some cheaper floss picks. The mint flavor isn't overpowering, but it's strong enough to fight bad breath and leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. One thing to note is that these picks are intended for quick and easy use, so they're not as thorough as traditional string flossing if you're someone who prefers a more meticulous approach. But for those of us who want a convenient, quick way to floss, they're a great option. So, what's the verdict? On the plus side, these floss picks are incredibly convenient, easy to use, and feature a gentle yet effective floss that helps keep your mouth feeling fresh. The mint flavor is a nice touch, and the compact design is ideal for busy lifestyles. On the downside, if you're used to a more thorough flossing routine, you might find these picks to be a bit less precise. They're great for quick cleanups, but for a deep clean, you might still want to reach for traditional floss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get these, the link is in the comments. As far as value for money goes, these floss picks are quite affordable. A pack of 150 picks will last a while, and when you factor in their convenience and performance, they offer solid value. If you're looking for something more thorough or specialized, there are alternatives out there. But for a daily, on-the-go flossing solution, these Gum Twisted Mint Floss Picks are a great choice. Now, if you've used these picks before, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Did they work as well for you as they did for me? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.